Hey, Kirsten here. So today we're going to be trying out the MOKPR Wireless Phone Car Charger.
I drive for a living and I was looking for something that will make my life easier on the road. I used to have this regular holder, but it was such a hassle for me to charge my phone, and it doesn't help that it was blocking my view. So I decided to change it up and use this MOKPR instead. Let me start by saying this is so easy to assemble. All you need to do is attach the clip to the holder like as shown on the video. I really like the material of this product, but did you know that I almost returned this because I was very impatient with it? It kept falling while I was driving, but I guess I did not read the instructions. I did not realize that you're supposed to lock this so the clip will be secured. Once you pick a side, you just attach the holder to the vent like this, and don't forget to remove the sticker. This comes with a cord, but just a little reminder, you need to buy your port charger separately. I like how you can turn this into a 180-degree angle. That way you could have your phone turn in any way that's more comfortable for you. When I first used it, I was struggling so much because I didn't know how to open it. But then again, I did not read the instructions. But once I figured out that there's a little button on the side that you can open and close it with, it was a game changer for me. Also, it closes automatically once you put your phone on. It kind of just detects it right away. Overall, I really like this product. I highly recommend it, especially if you're on the road a lot like I am. Go and try it for yourself. You might like it too.